Good morning, students. Hope you all are safe. Now, as we have completed 9th standard, now this is the very precious year for you, standard 10. So, we will start one by one chapter. So, let us start one chapter called polynomial that you have already studied in 9th standard. Okay. If we have 2x, we called it as a, here only one term is there. So, we called it as a what? Monomial. Now, suppose you have 3x square plus 4x. So, how many terms are there? 2. 1 and 2. So, we said this as a what? Binomial. Now, let us take one more equation, that is 3x square plus 4x plus 1. Here, number of terms are 3. So, we call this as a trinomial. Now, if we consider one example, a0. Here 0 is suffix, where a0, a1, a2, up to an, these all are what? Real numbers. Okay, r is what? Set of real numbers. So we have a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube up to so an x raised to n. So this is called polynomial. Why? Because it has many terms. Here n is undefined. We don't know what is the value of n. If it is 1, then it is monomial. If it is 1, then it is binomial. If it is 2, then it will be till a2. Okay, so it will be trinomial, but right now we don't know n, so we call this as a polynomial. Okay, now here polynomial means what? Poly means many. Okay, poly means what? Many. So when any equation has many terms, we called it as a polynomial. Now coefficient of the polynomial. So in polynomial, basically a polynomial is a combination of variable and fixed coefficient. So here we can say that coefficient of x is what? A1, coefficient of x square is A2, coefficient of x cube is A3, and so on. Coefficient of x raised to n is an. So coefficient is what? So multiple of variable x. Here constant term is a0. Why? Because it does not contain any variable. Now power of polynomial. Power of polynomial means what? Maximum power of x. Maximum power of x is called power of polynomial. Here power of polynomial is 1, here it is 2, again here 2, and here power of polynomial is n. Now linear polynomial means what? A polynomial which has power 1. Okay, so if power of variable is 1, then that polynomial is called linear polynomial. Similarly quadratic. So now you can say that power of variable is what? 2, then it is called what? Quadratic polynomial. Similarly cubic polynomial. So if the power of variable is what? 3, power of x is what? 3, then it is called cubic polynomial. In 9th standard you have also studied that if for any polynomial p of x, if you have any k which is real number, and if p of k is 0, then we can say that k is a 0 of the polynomial. For example, suppose we have p of x is equals to x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, now if I take x is equals to minus 1. Okay, so let us find out p of minus 1. So p of minus 1 is equals to minus 1 square plus 2 into minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 square will be 1, 2 into minus 1 is what? Minus 2, and plus 1. Answer is what? 0. So here we can say that x equals to minus 1 is a 0 of x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, so 0 of the polynomial means what? Value of x where polynomial takes value 0. If the value of polynomials becomes 0, it is called a 0 of the polynomial. Now one more thing we have to consider is, in polynomial power should be integer. Okay, so here power of x is 1 and they all are in numerator. But if you have something like this 1 upon x minus 1, it is not a polynomial. Why? Because power of polynomial will be what? Minus 1, which is not possible. Here root x, that is fractional, x raised to 1 by 2. Again this is not a polynomial. Here 1 upon x cube minus 1, again this is not a polynomial. Now geometrical meaning of the zeros of a polynomial is what? So first of all, let us start with the linear polynomial. P of x, we can also say it as a y. So P of x is equals to y is equals to x plus 5. Okay. So here I am making one table. X, y and value of x and value of y. Now how to make this table? Now we have this y is equals to x plus 5. Once you take x is equals to 0. So when x is equals to 0, y is equals to what? 0 plus 5. So y is equals to 5. Okay. So when x is 0, y is 5. Now you take y is equals to 0. Okay. So if y is 0, what is the value of x? So you make x as a subject. So x will be what? Minus 5. So here we have the table that when x 0, y will be 5. When y 0, x will be minus 5. So let us plot here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Similarly, I have written this is origin 0, 1, 2, 3, but we don't need these points. Okay. Now x 0, then y 5. We know that x is 0 here and y will be what? 5. Okay. Now when x is minus 5, y will be 0. So if we join these 2 points, the graph of the polynomial will be line. And in 9th standard you have already studied that whenever you have a linear polynomial, the graph will be line. So we can say that here zeros of this polynomial is x is equals to minus 5. Okay, why? Because at x equals to minus 5, value of polynomial, that is y, becomes 0. Okay, so till now we have studied that what is polynomial, monomial, binomial, trinomial, then polynomial. Polynomial means equation which has many terms. It is called what? Polynomial. Now coefficient means what? Multiple or coefficient of variable. Power of polynomial means what? Maximum power of x. Linear polynomial means when maximum power is 1, linear polynomial. When maximum power 2, quadratic. When maximum power 3, cubic polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial. When for what value of x polynomial takes the value 0, that value is called what? Zeros of the polynomial. Now today we have seen that geometrical meaning of linear polynomial. Tomorrow we will learn geometrical meaning of quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, biquadratic polynomial and so on. Thank you.